Okay, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of Coffee and Questions. And what is today's topic? In the last video, or two videos before, you can look in the playlist, we did some comparisons on a couple of welding helmets and what might be a good value for you, in terms of budget. And this was one of them, the Vulcan ArcSafe. So you can go back to that video, take a quick look at it. We go through questions and answers. I tell you what are the weak points and everything else about this shield. But it's a good helmet, and it's at a good price right now. It's on this liquidation sale from Harbor Freight. I'm going to put up the ad here in a minute, take my picture off of here. You can take a photo of it. Just hit the space bar, pause it, take a photo of it, keep it with you. These sales are going on right now, the liquidation sales, until March 31st. So you have plenty of time. And what I do is I keep these sale things on my cell phone, and when I'm out there, they honor them. Now, I've been told that some Harbor Freights don't honor them. They want you to have the actual ad printed out. So you can go to the Harbor Freight website, call up the ad printed out if that's the case. But at mine, as long as it's on there and it's got the barcode, they go ahead and accept it. Anyway, back to the helmet. Let me go ahead, let me throw this picture up there, and let's get to your deal of the week. All right, folks, I got my picture removed. So you can hit the pause key, you can take a picture of this. It's $129. Or, like I said, you can print out the coupon if your store wants you to do that. Anyway, this is a good helmet. It's a good budget-friendly helmet. Could you add more money and get a better one? Yeah, you could. Take a look in the playlist where we talk about, in that video I'm telling you about a couple videos ago, where we talk about Speed Glass and we talk about Lincoln. My preference, of course, was to the Lincoln, but look, if you are on a budget, this works adequately fine. We have it out at the club. We demoed it. It seemed to work good. And I don't have any use behind it for a long period of time, but it's worth considering as your deal of the week if you're in the market for an auto darkening welding helmet. And it does have 4-arc capacity. Okay, so good value, print the coupon, and I hope you enjoy these quick little videos when I bring you deals. I want to thank everybody. You folks have a great day. Of course, click subscribe, drop me a comment if you know of a better deal. I'll talk to you folks again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.